Okay, so the $1 million question is, when should you increase your prices? Well, I think there are 5 really clear, undeniable signs that you should increase your prices now. So if you've been looking for a sign, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for you today. All right, sign number 1, you are getting really booked out. Now, that doesn't mean that you have millions of clients. I'm talking about your personal version of feeling booked out. When I started doing one-on-one coaching, my version of booked out was like 15 clients a week. And I'd just be like, I'm so tired. And I met someone else who their version of booked out was like 100 clients in a week, which would have been really hard for me. So your version of booked out is whatever feels right for you. And if you're feeling a little bit busy right now and a little bit in demand, hey, guess what? Pricing is all about supply and demand. If you have a lot of people who are clamoring for your services or you're getting a lot of inquiries that you can't fulfill, chances are that you could afford to increase your prices at least by a little bit, if not a lot. Now, it's natural to feel resistant to increasing your prices, even when you're booked out. Every time that I increase my prices, I'd be like, no one is ever going to work with me ever again. I'm never going to have any more clients ever. And it would feel really true. Now, the truth is that when you have high demand for what you do, it's proof that the market can bear a higher price. Now, not everyone will love to pay your new prices, but your best clients will gladly pay those new prices, especially if you're in demand because you're really good at what you do. And the bonus is that you'll free up a lot more time and either earn the same or more money. And then you'll have more energy to give your all to your clients. And who knows, you might even have some creative space to write a book or create a course that could serve even more people. So that's the first big sign that you should raise your prices, when you're just getting a little bit too busy for comfort. So is that one true for you? Yes or no? Maybe not, and that's okay too. So here's big sign number 2. People tell you that you're too cheap. Now, this is a major one. When you tell people your prices and they go, oh, okay. Or they go, wow, that's cheap. Now, this is particularly true when it's clients or potential clients, because nobody wants to be cheap. Nobody wants to be the cheapest in the market. And if you hear that repeatedly, it's not a compliment. It's actually a massive sign that people have a different perception than you do around your worth. Now, I was chatting to someone that I wanted to work with, and I perceived them as kind of very famous in their industry. They told me their price, and I just went, oh, that doesn't feel like a good energetic match. And I expected them to be a lot more expensive than they were. Guess what that did? It made me second guess their ability. And of course that's not true. They were amazing at what they did, but that's not how pricing psychology works. If people think that you're too cheap or they're telling you outright, listen to them. Ask yourself if your pricing is actually a detriment to your brand. Remember, pricing is not just the cost of your time or cost of goods sold. Perception is a huge part of where you position yourself in the market and who you want to attract. Now, it's normal to be confused about what to charge or even where to start. I have a ton of pricing scripts in my latest book, Chillpreneur. There you go, a little cheeky plug, which you can get in all the usual book places, in Audible, paperback, and Kindle. But if people are saying things to you like, oh, I expected it to be a lot more than that, that is a big sign that it's time to increase your prices. Just a thought. All right, huge sign number 3. This is a fun one. You're attracting really painful people. Even if you're not booked out, if you're getting a lot of pain in the butt clients who are constantly complaining, trying to negotiate on price, never happy no matter what you do, or generally making your life hell, that is a huge sign that you're an energetic mismatch to your current pricing. It's almost the universe's way of forcing your hand to change your prices, because you deserve to have clients who gladly pay you for what you do. And when you're too cheap, and this is the paradox, right? You think, God, I'm delivering so much and I'm trying to make it affordable. Why aren't they happy? You might even be tempted to slash your prices further. But it's not the price, that's not the problem. It's just at your current price, you're an energetic match to people who don't appreciate you because you are not appreciating yourself. You're just attracting clients who mirror that energy. So this is a big sign. If you're getting clients who are like, can I get a discount? And you know that you are already affordable and you're underpriced, or if you're attracting people who ask for accommodations above and beyond what you're comfortable with, people who overstep boundaries, people who take up way too much time and energy than maybe your full price clients, then that is a huge sign. When you charge appropriately for what you do, and that's win-win for you and the clients, you're going to attract people who will mirror that self-worth back to you. Trust me. So if you're dealing with pain in the butt clients right now, it's not a sign to decrease your prices. It's a big, big sign to upgrade your prices so you can attract more energetically aligned clients. Big sign number 4. You are consistently creating amazing results for your clients, especially when you create results that have an impact on their income too. And this isn't just for people who teach money or business, because you might have a business that's completely outside of that realm, but still helps people make or save money. Maybe you help people save time so they can make more money elsewhere or spend more precious time with their family. Maybe you help them save money by outsourcing a task or helping them to become more efficient with their own time or money. Maybe you help them in their business by doing something that they're not good at. Again, time is money. You might work with high achievers to help them become peak performers. For example, a health coach or a kinesiologist might help people to become the best that they can be, have more energy, have more confidence, break through blocks, etc. An amazing support person can help someone save time and money and help them work in their zone of genius, which might mean more money in their bank account. And it could have a huge impact on their bottom line. If you know that you can help people get amazing results and you're getting better at it, then you deserve to be paid in line with the value and the results that you help people accomplish. Really simple. And as you get more experience, you're helping them to shortcut their success as well. So that's a huge sign. If you're getting rave reviews and you're getting outstanding results for your clients, and if you're feeling resentful about that, well, that is a sign that you need to increase your prices. Think of the mantra that I say all the time: I serve, I deserve. I think everybody in business can embrace that mantra. I serve, I deserve. Giving and receiving in equal weight. Okay, big sign number 5, that you should increase your prices. You want to earn more money. It's okay just to decide, I want to get paid more for what I do. Maybe you already know that you're an energetic mismatch to your prices and you just want to earn more. That's totally okay. And it's going to happen regularly over your entrepreneurial journey. Each time you want to increase your prices, it will feel scary and you'll think, oh my God, am I really worth this? Am I allowed to earn more? And then you'll settle into it and it will feel really good for a bit. Maybe you'll feel okay about saying your prices without wanting to vomit. And then you realize you want to earn more money because you're getting even better at what you do. You might outgrow some of your clients. You might outgrow your pricing again. And that's totally normal. So if you've been feeling itchy or you feel like it's time to expand, then that's okay. It's all right to raise your prices because you want to make more money. It's just a huge clear sign that it's time to get out of your comfort zone and go to the next stage. But nobody is going to give you permission to increase your prices. It really is a decision that you have to make for yourself. And what do you charge? Well, guess what? You ask yourself what would feel good to charge and you try it. And remember, every time you increase your prices, it'll happen. You'll feel scared. You'll feel like no one's going to pay you. Then you step into it and it becomes comfortable. And then you attract the next level of client that you want to work with, and it will feel easy. You'll settle into it again. And then guess what? It'll probably happen all over again. And you have permission to earn more. You have permission to change your prices whenever you feel ready. So let's recap those 5 signs that you should increase your prices today. Not all of these have to be true before you increase your prices, by the way. Even just one is enough of a justification. So remember, number 1, you're booked out. You can't fit anyone else in because you're too much in demand. Increase your prices. Number 2, this one was when people keep telling you that you're cheap, or you get the sense that they're saying that to other people. Take the hint. Remember, those people have a very different perception of you and your worth than you do. So increase your prices. Number 3, you're getting those pain in the butt clients that just don't appreciate you no matter how much you are over delivering. That is time for you to increase your prices. And number 4, you're getting amazing results for people and you're getting better and better at what you do. You're shortcutting other people's success and you're feeling resentful that you're getting amazing results for people and you're not getting anything in return. Time to increase your prices. And number 5, the last one, is just because you wanna. That's okay too. You don't have to have a really good reason for it and you don't have to wait for someone else to give you permission. Just go for it. Now, what if you're still scared, and you probably are, and you're like, I don't know what to do next? Well, I want to say here that you can always choose to increase your prices whenever you like. This is your business. It's your rules. You don't even have to wait for someone like me to tell you that it's time to increase your price. It's your choice always. It's always going to feel scary and it's never going to feel like the right time. But you don't have to wait for some perfect time in the future or for Mercury retrograde to be over or for a full moon. If you know that you have a money block in the way around this, and everyone does, I'm your gal. I have helped thousands of entrepreneurs break through money blocks in my books and in my course, Money Bootcamp. And I have a resource for you today, and it's totally free. It's my free Money Blocks workshop, which can help you clear those money blocks fast so you don't sabotage your prices anymore. Just watch it today at denisedt.com/blocks. And it's as easy as that. It's your time to increase your prices and you're totally ready for the next step. Hey gorgeous, it's Denise here again. I would love to invite you into my brand new free money masterclass. I'll be talking about 7 big money blocks and exactly how you can clear them. I want to help you break free of your limiting beliefs so you can go to the next level of income. It's going to be easier than you think, but it all starts with getting out of your own way. Join me today over at denisedt.com/blocks and let's get started together.